Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosel, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Are y'all ready to see the best tasting homemade hot dog you've ever seen? Stay tuned, it's on the way. Alright fam, this is going to be a real simple down and dirty video as I always say, but this one's going to be maybe 5-6 minutes long. Alright, all you need is some bacon pieces. Now I go to my local supermarket and I'm sure every supermarket has it. I haven't seen it in Walmart or wherever, but I haven't looked for it either. But I get the bacon ends and pieces that I think they're called. And they're about 10, 11 bucks in my local grocer. Then I go get my favorite hot dog, which in this instance is going to be my ballpark hot dogs. You can get cheap hot dogs, the expensive hot dogs, whatever your flavor buds like. And next is I get the Nature's Own perfectly crafted, I think these are called brioche style hot dog buns. And these are a little bit more pricey. I think these are almost like $4. For me, that's a little pricey because I'm used to getting the dollar ones from the dollar store. But these actually taste better. They almost like they have a buttery flavor. And you need a daughter that loves you and an air fryer. Now, this only works in this style air fryer. I haven't tried it in my mother-in-law air fryer, which is just the one compartment. I'm not sure it will work in there because, well, I know it won't work because this is going to require all 3 racks. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, it's going to be a real quick down and dirty video. Slide these out of the way. Now, if you have one of these style air fryers, this is going to work perfectly for you. It's going to take you about 6-7 minutes. Just as long, when the bacon gets done, this is done. So you got to put this in a particular order. The bacon needs to be in the top rack, closest to the heat. You want the hot dogs on the next rack down, and then you want to wait to put the buns in about the last 2 minutes of the cycle. Now y'all can already see what's happening right there. That juice from the grease from the bacon is going to drip on the hot dogs. Then after about, they've been in 5, 6, 7 minutes until the bacon's crispy, then we put the buns in for the last 2 minutes. That's going to get some of the bacon juice, and I call it juice. It's going to get some of the bacon grease, and then that's going to be infused in the buns. Then we're going to top that with a few of my favorite toppings, and my goodness, we had that. Me and my wife had it last week. We've had it twice already. Freaking delicious. Beautiful combination. All right, family, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get this thing started. Let's go ahead and get this pot started. It's on 15 minutes, 400 degrees. Let's go ahead and go with that. All right. And we'll come back and we'll monitor it, and we'll kind of play this thing by ear. And at the end of the video, we'll figure out exactly how long this should take, and at what temperature, and we'll kind of do the numbers, do the math. All right, family, so y'all stick around. For y'all, it'll be a couple of seconds. For me, it's going to be about 10-15 minutes. We'll be right back. Y'all stay tuned. Alright fam, that portion only took about 8 minutes, and that bacon is extra crispy. Matter of fact, I should have probably left it in there about 6 minutes, but hey, that's what we're here for. Like I always say, I'm here to make the mistake so you don't have to. Alright, let's slide these buns in. I'm going to put them on the bottom. We're going to leave those buns in for about 2 minutes. Look how golden brown those buns are, family. This almost look like those potato buns, but they're not. They're just regular old brioche buns. And those are, nope, they're not potato buns, but they are delicious. They are, like I said, they already have a buttery flavor, and you can kind of see the buttery texture, the shine. All right, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and close this puppy up. Run it for about 2 more minutes. We're gonna call it good. Alright fam, there it is. Now, this whole thing in real time took about 7 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull those buns. Look at that. Toasted right around the edges, crisp. You'll slide that off on our plate. Slide that back in just for purposes of the video. Alright, next out is the hot dogs. Now once again, they did plump, didn't they? Just like my wife likes them. Yes, indeed. Like I said, we probably could have cut this whole process down about 2 minutes. But nevertheless, oh yeah, that's hot. Once again, mama said if you're going to be stupid, you got to be twice as tough. And I am one tough fella. Alright, let's go ahead. I'm going to stick these two back in here for mama. Alright fam, next on deck, pepper jack cheese, my favorite cheese in the whole world. Yes, they have more expensive cheeses out there, sharp cheeses and all that stuff, but I like spice, I like kick. And y'all know my pico de gallo was gonna come into play. Y'all know how you love this stuff. I use it on everything. Like I always tell you, I use it on my eggs. I use it in everything. Hit that with a little pico. And family, my secret weapon. Now, when you go to your store, they got all kind of sauces. Whether you like something hot, something mild, whether you just like regular ketchup, whether you like mustard, whatever. I like this Wow Wee dipping sauce. This stuff is delicious. I want to say it has a slight hint of like, I don't know, Thousand Islands or maybe that Big Mac sauce, but this is delicious. Just swirl that on, and if you want to add whatever, if you want to add pickle relish, it's your choice. You do what you do. You do whatever you choose to. But for me, this is the perfect combination. Now, let's go ahead and get this thing the ultimate test. Look at that bun though. Alright fam, let's see what we're working with. Delicious. Look at that steam. Alright family, there y'all have it. Couple of ingredients: hot dog, bun, bacon. Oh, y'all know what I did? The bacon ain't just for dripping, y'all. And like I said, I keep the video real. I try not to edit too much. Oh, that's way crispy. But this is, the bacon is actually a part of the sandwich. I always take that bacon and crumble it up on the sandwich and get that crunch. Y'all almost let me forget my freaking bacon. But once again, like I said, I don't do a lot of editing. I keep it real. If I make a mistake, y'all get to see a mistake. That way you won't make the mistake. Like I always say, I make the mistake so y'all don't have to. I'm gonna leave a little bit of that bacon for mama. Alright. Alright fam. Like I said, it's gonna be a real short video, so we're gonna go ahead and bring it in for a landing. But as usual, if y'all enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumb down, and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosel. Y'all take care. Have a great day, a great week, and a great rest of this 2021. Peace.